Okay, guys, welcome back, and this is our next chapter, and today we'll discuss about asset, liability, and capital. So, if you see here that asset is equal to liability plus capital. First, you have to understand that what is asset. So, asset in simple word, you can say the thing the business owns, like cash, building, machine, and liability is the things or the money the business owes to other, like loan, bills, and capital is the money that belong to the owner share. So think of it like this whatever the business own, we call it asset, is paid for either by borrowing, mean liabilities, or by owner monies, that is capital. So for example, let's say you have here, this is the example. This is the example. So if you have asset and the asset is 25,000 and liability is 15,000, okay? So the capital is 10,000. It means that liability plus capital is equal to asset. Asset is equal to liability plus capital. So here, if 25,000 is your asset, it means and liability is 15,000. It means that capital is 10,000. Okay. Now here we have more example. If you see that asset, question number one, asset is 106,000 and liability is 98,756. So what will be the capital? So the capital will be 7244. Okay. The second example, if you see here, 29,750 is your asset and liability is missing here. You have to identify this. And the capital is 22,300. So what will be the liability? So if you using the equation, then you will have 74. If you see here, this is the answer that if liability is 25,700, deduct your liability, and then you will have that capital. So here, this is the, if you put all these number and the equation, then you will get the desired answer. If you want asset, then you will get asset. If you want to get the liability, then you have to rearrange this asset is equal to liability and capital equation, and then you will get asset, liability, or capital. Okay. So what we have understand that every transaction changes asset, liability, or capital. So to record these changes correctly, accountant use double entry bookkeeping. Okay.